Hi everyone, welcome back to JavaScript Daily Coding Challenge Series. The challenge for today's video is phone home. Okay, you are given an array of numbers representing distances in kilometers between yourself, satellites, and your home planet in a communication route. Now we should determine how long it will take a message sent through the route to reach its destination planet using the following conditions. The first value in the array is the distance from your location to the first satellite. Each subsequent value except for the last is the distance to the next satellite. The last value in the array is the distance from the previous satellite to your home planet. Okay, and the message travels at 3 lakh kilometers per second. Each satellite the message passes through adds a 0.5 second transmission delay. Okay, and our goal is to return the total time it takes for the message to reach home rounded to 4 decimal places. That's our goal. Let me explain with an example here. Let's take this. Here we have a 3 distances in the root array. Okay, for that let me draw a diagram here. This is your location and this is your first satellite, second satellite, and home planet. Okay, now the distance between first your location to first satellite is this one, 10 lakh kilometers, and the distance between first satellite to second satellite in this example is 50 lakh kilometers. Okay, and the distance between second satellite and home planet is again 10 lakh kilometers. Okay, now we should find the total time taken for the message to travel from your location to home planet along with adding 0.5 transmission delay. Okay, transmission delay. Now let's get into the solution for this. For that, let's start with defining a variable called time. Okay, and initialize with 0. This variable is going to store the total time taken. Okay, total time taken. Now next is we loop through each distance in the root array. Okay, for that let's take for loop, let I equal to 0, I less than root dot length I plus plus. Okay, inside for loop what we are going to do is for every distance we divide it by 3 lakh, that is the speed here mentioned in the challenge. Okay, 3 lakh. This gives us the time it takes for the message to travel that segment. Okay, and then equals to root of I, nothing but distance by 3 lakh, that is speed. This piece of code gives us the time it takes for the message to travel that segment. So inside for loop we keep adding those times together. Okay, we keep adding those times together. At the end of this for loop we get the time taken for the message to travel the all the distances. Okay, but here we have one more condition, that is transmission delay when the message passes through each satellite, that is 0.5. So to add that time as well, what we have to do is we simply sum or add values, that is 0.5 transmission delay into number of satellites. Number of satellites nothing but number the array length minus 1, because the satellites are less than distances, as your last destination is a home planet, not satellite. Okay, for that root dot length minus 1. Okay, Now this gives the total time for the message to travel from your location to the home planet along with transmission delay. Okay, so our goal is to return total time taken. Okay, total time taken rounded to 4 decimal places. Okay, for that what I'm going to do is return. So to convert the time to 4 rounded places, I'm using time dot to fixed and then pass number of decimals you want, that is 4. So this gives you the final time, okay, in string format. So to convert it back to number again, let's use parse float function and then pass this total time. So this converts the total time in string format again to float. Okay, that's it about the solution. So let's see whether our solution is working as expected or not by running test cases. Let's run. See, all of our test cases passed without any issues. So our solution is working as expected. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe for more technical videos to improve your coding skills to crack technical interviews. Thanks for watching.